Dinosaurs captivate our imagination for many reasons, primarily due to their colossal size and diverse shapes. These prehistoric creatures, with their fascinating appearances and mysterious lifestyles, have become a significant part of popular culture. One intriguing aspect of dinosaurs is the names we've bestowed upon them, which offer a glimpse into their perceived characteristics. However, the process of naming these ancient beings has not always been precise, leading to some notable misinterpretations and misconceptions. Here, we explore 5 examples of dinosaurs whose names have either been misleading or completely off the mark. Number 1. Oviraptor. The Overrptor, meaning egg thief, is a classic example of a dinosaur name gone wrong. The discovery of its fossils near a nest of eggs in Mongolia in the 1920s led to the assumption that it had died while attempting to steal eggs from a protoceratops. This scenario cemented its reputation as a notorious egg thief, a depiction that made its way into popular media, including films like Dinosaur and Jurassic World Dominion. However, further studies and more fossil discoveries have turned this interpretation on its head. Paleontologists now believe that oviraptors were likely caring for their own eggs rather than stealing them. Researchers have found numerous Oviraptor fossils in brooding positions over nests, indicating parental care similar to that of modern birds. This ironic twist reveals Oviraptors as diligent parents wrongly accused of infanticide, showcasing a significant misjudgment based on initial findings. Number 2. Stegosaurus. The Stegosaurus, one of the most recognizable dinosaurs, also carries a name rooted in early scientific misunderstanding. Named by the famous paleontologist Othniel Charles Marsh in 1877, Stegosaurus means roof lizard. Marsh believed that the large bony plates along its back lay flat, overlapping like roof tiles for protection. Modern research, however, has shown that these plates were not flat, but stood vertically, spaced apart along the dinosaur's back. Theories suggest that these plates served display, thermoregulation, or defense purposes, but their exact function remains debated. Despite the anatomical inaccuracy, the name Stegosaurus remains widely accepted and illustrates how initial interpretations can shape our understanding. Number 3. Cetiosaurus. Cetiosaurus, which translates to whale lizard or sea monster lizard, is another dinosaur that suffered from early misclassification. Sir Richard Owen discovered Cetiosaurus in England in 1842, making it one of the first sauropods to receive a description. Owen, lacking knowledge of sauropods and their land-based nature, assumed that such a massive creature must have lived in water to support its weight, hence the aquatic-themed name. The correct identification of Cetiosaurus as a land-dwelling sauropod did not occur until 1869. This early error highlights the challenges faced by paleontologists in the 19th century, who had to make sense of fragmented and incomplete fossils without the context we have today. Despite its misnomer, Cetiosaurus remains an important figure in paleontology's history. Number 4. Sarcolestes. In the late 1800s, scientists discovered sarcolestes, meaning flesh robber, and named it based on a fragmentary mandible and tooth. The tooth serrations led scientists to believe it was a carnivorous dinosaur, hence its fearsome name. However, further examination revealed that Sarcolestes was actually an ankylosaur, an herbivorous dinosaur known for its armored body and plant-eating habits. This error arose from a misinterpretation of the tooth structure. Ankylosaurs have teeth with sharp-looking serrations, but they process plant material instead of flesh. This example highlights the difficulties in accurately identifying a dinosaur from limited remains, as well as how those errors can lead to misleading names. Number 5. Scorpio Venator. Scorpio Venator, meaning scorpion hunter, is a theropod dinosaur discovered in Argentina. This dinosaur may have eaten scorpions because scorpions were abundant in the area where its fossils were found. However, there's no evidence to support this diet. Instead, Scorpio Venator likely hunted small dinosaurs, such as baby sauropods, and scavenged larger carcasses. This name illustrates how environmental factors can influence the naming process, even if it doesn't accurately reflect the dinosaur's behavior or diet. It also highlights the creative liberties taken by paleontologists when naming new species, often based on the limited information available at the time of the discovery. These examples of misnamed dinosaurs highlight the challenges faced by paleontologists in naming new species accurately. With limited information and fossil evidence, early scientists had to make educated guesses, which sometimes led to amusing or ironic inaccuracies. Despite these errors, the process of naming dinosaurs remains a crucial part of understanding and classifying these ancient creatures.